Hey loves, I forgot to share the unboxing on our Amazon haul for the ice machine that we got in the Amazon packages. So we're going to open it now. Separately. This one looks like it's kind of used. The box looks really beat up, so I'm hoping that in the inside it's not as beat up as the box is right now. I'd rather not have to return this if that's the case. This thing's on top. Ooh, this is definitely heavy. Okay. It definitely does look used. I'm gonna have to wipe it down. It's dusty, it looks used. We have to see if it's working, but as of the first impressions for it being used, it's making me kind of nervous. I believe I did get a discount on it, but still, it's still making me nervous. I could wipe it down and see how it does, but when things are used, it could mean that, like, even if I got a discount, it could mean that it's still, like, sketchy, and that maybe the ice machine wouldn't work as well, and it is a machine, so I think I'm going to return it and buy a brand new one. As of first impressions right now, it's making me nervous. It just doesn't feel right. Sometimes you can get things at a discount, like this was a pretty good, I think it was like $50 off, which is major because I think it's like almost $500 for this, so it was a good deal. But I don't think it's worth it when it comes to a machine that's this expensive that you're going to have long term. So I'll just cut it right now. I'm going to return it, and I'm going to buy full price when it's brand new. I just feel uncomfortable right now. Yeah. Okay, loves. Never mind. I love you guys. I need to clean that. My family's coming. It's stressing me out. I feel like I have to do so many things I haven't posted, and I'm just like, my mom wants me to help clean the floors, do the floors before my sister gets. She's coming early tomorrow, and I'm like not ready for anything for people and babies to be here. I have so much I have to do. It's a lot, but we're gonna be jumping on live later to do leg day. I'm feeling like not the best too. My tummy's hurting on my periods. It's just been like really uncomfortable right now, but I'll jump back on later, guys, after I finish with my mom helping clean the house right now before my sister comes tomorrow. I love you guys. I'll see you guys later.